Aloe vera gel can reduce hair fall by boosting hair growth, rejuvenating follicles, and clearing dead skin cells. It prevents for hair loss and effective on dry scalps and colored hair. Aloe vera oil effectively treats dandruff-induced flaky scalp by reducing yeast multiplication, excess sebum, and maintaining oil balance, while also preventing flakes and itchiness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Aloe vera moisturizes skin, conditioning hair and softening it. Regular application of aloe gel maintains hair vitality and shine. Aloe vera oil is a highly hydrating and moisturizing hair treatment, particularly beneficial for dry and brittle hair due to its high water content and proteolytic enzymes. Aloe vera oil, rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, nourishes hair follicles, improving texture and promoting hair health, making tresses softer and more manageable over time. Aloe vera oil's antifungal and antibacterial properties reduce scalp itchiness, prevent fungal infections, and promote healthy scalp and hair by killing bacteria and reducing fungus growth.